Hey YouTube, it's Erin, the handbag housewife, and I have another unboxing for you. I am almost feeling just a wee bit sheepish because here I just get home and I have 3 unboxings in such a short period of time. But after this, I have 2 more items coming, and I think I'll be done for a while because I got put on lockdown mode by the husband. So he doesn't usually do that, but we've got some plans coming up and we want to be financially ready for that. And so for now, I just want to enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy this. And then in the future, I'll have to make content with what is behind me. So this is from Nordstrom, and it happens to be a bag I have very many of. So let me take a poll right now. Can you guess what it is? Just kidding. Well, let me get to it and I'll show you what I got, because I want to show it to you with a couple of different options, assuming I'm happy when I open the box. I did order this item once before, and Nordstrom sent it in a box that was too small and it was sort of crushed. So this is much better. This is wrapped very similarly to what Vestiaire Collective did. It does not have any padding, but it is in a sturdy box. So really that's enough. I mean, I prefer to have Heaven's wrapping from the Longchamp in Chicago and get the beautiful bag and tissue paper and the giant box, but economically that just doesn't work for a lot of companies. It's expensive to ship things in a giant box when you don't have to. So without further ado, I would like to open this baby up, and I'd like to show her to you with a couple of different chain options, assuming this goes well. So, Now, when I ordered this bag before, I didn't keep it because it was sort of smashed, but also I felt like this one was just a slight bit more boxy than my other ones, and I felt like it looked kind of masculine. But now that I've gotten used to using some fancy chains with my bags, I think I might feel just a wee bit differently. So here she is. Ooh, she's looking pretty good. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the back side. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the front side. So this bag is a calf leather, and I got it for $247.52. 52 cents, where did I get that from? $247.50, because it was originally $495. Now you may ask, why is this leather bag a different price than the Metis leather bags? The Metis leather bags, let me remind you, they're like bonded leather. They're a blend of lamb and goat skin, and then they're adhered to some sort of a backing. They feel great, but they're not like a solid leather like this is. This is made from an actual hide, and then they've put a grain to it. So it's almost a Saffiano type leather, and that gives it more durability than the Metis leather is going to have. Therefore, you have the higher price point. So I bought this bag when it was $346.50, and when it came smashed, I was disappointed and I returned it. At $247.50, I felt differently. I snagged it, and so let me just give her a look, make sure the strap is inside, and then I'm going to try it on, not with the strap it comes with, although I do want to show you the strap it comes with. Okay, most of the full leather Longchamp bags come with a non-adjustable crossbody strap, which isn't long enough for most people. So this bag came with an adjustable strap. It's got the Metis leather with the full calf skin on the handles and the flap and the little charm and the base. All of the nylon bags come with an adjustable strap, and the canvas one I have came with an adjustable strap. But other than that, all of my Longchamp bags have come with a non-adjustable strap, except for this bag here, which is in full calfskin leather, and again, it's that Saffiano texture. So this would be really nice for a lot of people. It is something I probably won't use, but I might. I think it is slightly more flexible than the ones that come with the nylon bags. So it might be slightly more comfortable, but I want to use my chains because I love my chains. Aren't they pretty? So I'm gonna pick one of these and do a modeling shot. They're both from Amazon. This one here is the model worker one. I can link both of these below. And then this one here is the XIAZW brand. They're both similarly priced. I'm gonna do the model worker one. I will say the other brand, that sometimes my hair does get caught in it. I love them, I still recommend them, but this one doesn't do that quite as much, and the Samorga ones don't do that quite as much. Okay, I'm still in my jammies, but you can see here how cute she looks with this strap. So I think I'm gonna keep it this time around. It's a really sweet color. It has popped on and off of the Nordstrom website multiple times. It's called beige, and it also, this style comes in a pink color that I think is called peony, but here it is next to Tiramisu by Tory Burch. It's just very similar in color, but just a hint lighter. And of course, this bag comes with gold hardware. This is the little clip I added to hold the tassel, but it does have gold hardware, not much of it. This bag here has the gunmetal hardware, and look how beautifully that matches the chain. I just think these chains, I just think they make these bags. So let me know what you think. Please don't tell me I'm crazy. I already know it. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy seeing content like this. I'll be coming at you with some more of that in the next few days, including an upcoming Longchamp collection video in collaboration with Josh E. Michael. I know you won't want to miss that, so ring my bell. Thank you. Bye.